Hello, friends. So today I want to just go back over our simple interest formula. We have done all 4 of these. Remember that tomorrow we'll have a Canvas quiz, in which case you will have the 5th one. So we have that the account at the end equals the principal times 1 plus the rate and the time. Remember that rate has to be in decimals and time has to be in years. So he deposited $40,000 in the bank. So there is our principal times 1 plus the rate is 7%. 7% in a decimal is 0.07 times 2 for 2 years. So 40,000 7 hundredths times 2 would be 14 hundredths plus 1, so times 1.14. At the end, we should have 40,000, 40,000 times 1.14 gives me 45,600. Now that is what's in the account at the end of 2 years. But if I'm just wanting to know the interest, I have to take that 45,600 and subtract the original or principal of 40,000. My total would be 5,600. I don't know why my mouse is being so weird, but $5,600 is the interest earned at the end of that period. All right, so let's go ahead and slide on down. Maybe. So on number 2, we had the interest earned on a principal of $267. Invested at 6% for 6 years. So our principal, again, was stated $267. 1 plus the rate of 6% as a decimal would be 0.06 times 6 years. Okay, so we know how to do these. 6 hundredths times 6 would be 36 hundredths, plus 1 more is 1 and 36 hundredths. You could easily have used your calculator to figure that out if that is not math you do in your head. This next part is not math I do in my head. 267 times 1.36 gives me a total in my account of $363.12. Now, that is the total amount in my account. But my question asked how much interest is earned. So take that total amount of, $363.12. Goodness gracious. $363.12 and subtract my $267 that I originally put in my account, my principal. What I end up with is $96.12 for the amount of interest. Okay, I know it's going really fast. We've already gone over these, but let's just make sure that we understand 3 and 4. 3, apparently I need to add another little bit of a space. Joe won the lottery. Good for him. He wants to double his money. So double the money means that the account at the end would be $50,000. His principal is that $25,000 that he started off in the account. I know the 1 stays the same, and I know the rate is 6%, so 0.06. What I don't know is how long it's going to take him. So that t stays as a variable. So let's divide by $25,000. Now, you could absolutely have distributed that $25,000 and then solved it from there. This gives me 2 equals 1 plus 0.06 t. I can subtract 1 from both sides, and I end up with 1 equals 0.06 t. To get t by itself, I'm going to divide 1 by 0.06, and I end up with 16.67 if we're rounding to the hundredths place. So it will take him 16.67 years to double his money. All right, last one. Mr. Young deposited money into an account that earns simple interest of 2.5%. After 5 years, the balance in his account is $6,750. So we want to know what the principal was, what the original deposit is. So our account is $6,750. I don't know what the principal is, but I do know that 1 plus the rate is 2.5%, which would be 0.025 multiplied by 5 years. So 0.025 times 5 would be 0.125 plus 1, 1.125. P is 6,750. Divide both sides by 1.125. Oops, that's a 0. Sorry about that. And we have 6,750 divided by 1.125 gives me a principal of $6,000. All right, so tomorrow you will have one more question. As you can see, it's something about Rebecca depositing $1,500 into a savings account, but you don't know what I need to know. So make sure that you can use the simple interest formula to solve that last question on your Canvas quiz. And when you are finished reviewing this video, make sure that you do not owe me any work and that all 3 of your IXLs are completed for research off of your recommended list. Don't forget that you are being as productive as you can, and I will return tomorrow. Have a great day.